Hey gang, if you're planning your next diving trip and need a little bit of inspiration, then I'm just going to show you Lankayan Island and just kind of instill some holiday envy for you. So this is Lankayan Island. It's a tiny, pristine island in the Sulu Sea in Southeast Asia. And when I say tiny, here it is on Google Earth. There's not even a green dot for it, but the Lankayan Island Dive Resort is one of the very few structures actually on this tiny island. The island lies in a marine protected area to prevent harmful fishing practices in the area, so the waters around Lankayan are just a sanctuary for local fish and marine life for you to encounter, from teeny tiny little macro life to huge whale sharks. And Lankayan is also situated in what is known as the Sea Turtle Corridor, and it's just a host to a nesting place and a foraging grounds for green sea turtles and hawksbill turtles. So at the right time of year, you can see the little hatchlings trying to rush out to the water. If you're more into your shipwrecks, there are 4 local shipwrecks, including one poaching vessel that was, caught by authorities and scuttled where it was. So the wreck is now actually a shelter for a range of fish species, including the traditional large groupers and smaller things like ornate ghost pipefish. And at just 23 meters, it's the perfect diving depth for spending some time to actually explore the shipwreck. Despite the remoteness, they are very proud to offer all of the amenities of a tropical island resort. Visitors have a choice to stay in chalets, twin or triple sharing basis, made out of local wooden materials to blend into the natural surroundings. Chalet rooms are attached with a private balcony overlooking the white sandy beach and just turquoise coloured ocean. Lankayan's chalets are well appointed and they're equipped with a hot bath, coffee and tea making facilities, mini refrigerator and fresh water from the mainland. Surface temperatures tend to be around 30 degrees centigrade for most of the year, and the water temperatures can range from 26 to around 30 degrees centigrade with moderate currents underneath the very calm surface. It's quite rare that you have to deal with any kind of rough conditions out at sea. When the weather is nice and calm, the visibility is pristine, but visibility can start to drop in the rainy seasons, which is November to February, so it's best to try and avoid those wintry months. And April to May anyway, you have a greater chance of seeing whale sharks, but later June to September you're more likely to see the baby sea turtles, but of course you can usually see the grown-up turtles all year round. For more information, head over to divemalaysia.com and head over to scubadivermag.com to check out more of our scuba diving content. Thank you for watching everybody, and of course, safe diving.